Okay, friends, I'm getting ready to make more cookies, more of my Christmas cookies, and do more videos on them. But I ran out of brown sugar, so I'm making more brown sugar, and I thought, I did a video, oh my gosh, a long time ago it seems, of making homemade brown sugar with black treacle. But I'm out of my black treacle. That was given to me from a friend. So this time, I'm just going to use plain old molasses. But I'm going to show you how easy this is so you don't have to run out and buy brown sugar. So we're going to add, I'm going to do 4 cups of sugar. Okay. I'm going to put that right in my mixer here. 3. Now I'm going to have to put about another half a cup because I was that much shy. Okay, there's 4 cups. Now, with that, there goes my molasses. A 1/4 cup of molasses. You're going to want to use about a tablespoon to 2, really depending on how, depending on your taste. But I use 1 tablespoon per cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of molasses per cup of sugar. And it works pretty good. Okay? So we're just going to put that in there, lock it down, and we're going to turn it on and just let it go slow. And it'll make the most wonderful brown sugar ever. You just let that mix for a while. So it's right on low, just the way it is now. I don't mix it any higher. And I'll just let it mix for, a few minutes. So I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm just going to let it continue to mix. Oh, it might mix for about 5 minutes or so. But I'll be back and show you how it looks when it's all done. Hey friends, this is done. And see how nice this turns out. Lift that up without making a big mess. Look at how beautiful that brown sugar is. And it's a nice, pretty, light brown sugar. Now my black treacle that I used to use would make a very dark brown sugar. And that's wonderful stuff. But this is perfect for baking. And this is perfect. So, I'm going to take this off. I don't want to waste none of that. I'm going to plug this machine. And it's quite simple. I'm just going to put it in my jar. Isn't that gorgeous? Actually, I don't think I really need that because it probably will. No, I need it. Yeah. Pack that. That's how easy that is to make. Makes wonderful brown sugar. Now I don't have to run out to the store. And this made good 4 cups. Nice, eh? Good little kitchen tip there. Make your own. I make most everything homemade. Even a lot of times I'll make my own powdered sugar. And I could do a video on that because it's really easy. You just put it in a blender and let it rip. It'll blend it so fine, pretty soon it'll be powdered sugar. So there, I got a nice big jar of brown sugar. And I didn't have to run to the store. How you like that? Good way to save some money too. Make your own. Alright friends. I gotta wash all this up now. It rinses out real easy. Beautiful jar of brown sugar. How you like that? Alright, there you have it. A sweet little baking tip. Thanks for watching.